All right, today I'm taking a look at the Meauro FHD 1080p Smart Mini Pocket Projector. Okay, it's got a remote. That's good. That is neat. So we got HDMI, USB, power, and headphones. And then we got a little screen protector on the front. That is a nice looking lens. All right, and it even came with batteries, so I got those slapped in. And these are nice rubbery feeling buttons on this remote, so this is a nice feeling remote. Power supply. Plug that into the back. I just need the HDMI, we can get it set up. And it looks like it's got a focusing ring right here. So yeah, nice tiny little projector. So you got the power button on the top. So let's get it set up. So one of the things I found about this that I really like is it's actually got a quarter 20 jack on the bottom. So instead of having to go and buy a whole projector stand, so now I can just drop this right on a light stand. I have to go get one of those fancy projector stands. So that's pretty cool. And this will give me a lot of ability to move this thing up and down however the heck I need it. So I'll plug in my HDMI. And I'll plug in power. So I'm going to power this guy on. So it is making a little noise, but it's not a lot. So it is very doable. So you can hear it. But it's not a big deal. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and focus. All right, there looks good. That looks nice and sharp too. And grab the remote. Go with English. I'll hit right and complete. And so I'm just pointing the remote off in that corner, so it's picking up the remote no problem, which is a very good thing because I don't want to have to be pointing it directly at the thing for it to work, but it looks like it is just working. So let's go to HDMI. There we go. And there is my computer. And this does look a little weird because this is actually a 16 by 10. It's not a 16 by 9. This is a slightly taller type of screen, so it's actually displaying it the way that it should be. So that's good. Yeah, that's good. And it's nice and quick. Can't beat that. So it's bright, it's sharp, and it's quick.